Okay, moving on to question B. 100 circles share the same center, and they're named C1, C2, C3, and until C100. For each one over n, between 1 and 99, tangent is drawn. Yeah, and then crosses the next circle that is separated by a distance of 2. Okay, so let's try to draw a diagram and see what's going on. So let's draw, let's call this Cn. Yeah, this is the circle Cn. Okay, so what does Cn plus 1 look like? It says what? A tangent to this circle is going to hit Cn plus 1 at 2 points. So definitely Cn plus 1 is larger than Cn. Yeah, if not, the tangent is not going to hit at 2 points. Yeah, okay. So Cn plus 1 is here, and it says what? Separated by a distance of 2. Okay, so this distance is 2. And of course, my drawing is really poor here. Yeah, and of course, the tangent will be symmetrical. Yeah, because these are all circles, they're concentric circles. Yeah, so this will be 1 and then 1 again here. Yeah, okay, my drawing skills are very limited, but you get the idea. Alright, so what happens here? Well, let's consider the radius of things, right? Because the question wants the radius of C100. So let's think about the radius. Let's call this Rn, shall we? Yeah, the radius for the nth circle. Okay, so, alright, I maybe need a better picture here, but let me just get rid of these. Okay, so this is also Rn. Yeah, and of course this would be a right angle, yeah, because the radius is perpendicular to the tangent by circle theorems. Okay, it's just my drawing is terrible here. But then, so this is Rn. Now, what is this length? This length is Rn plus 1, because that's the next circle. That's the radius of the larger circle. Yeah, and now you can see that you can use Pythagoras here. You can use Pythagoras here. Yeah, so Rn squared plus 1 squared, yeah, because that distance is 1, as explained before, equals to R of n plus 1 squared. Okay, so I have a recurrence relationship now between the Rn's and the Rn plus 1, and so on and so on. Right? And I know that R1 equals to 1, because C1 has a radius 1. So then, recursively, R2, well, let's do the squared version because it's easier. R1 squared is 1, so R2 squared is 1 plus 1, which is 2. Yeah, and R3 squared is 2 plus 1, which is 3, and so on, so on. Yeah, so then, of course, you see the pattern. R100 squared equals to 100 half days. And therefore the radius, square root both sides, is exactly 10. There we go. So draw a picture, and I think just try to visualize the question, then I think it's manageable.